Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on Traffic Authority Social Mastery Blueprint. I went ahead and picked up this product yesterday, actually, late last night. And so let's refer to the income disclosure. Results are not typical. You will actually make $0, and most people fail online and struggle and complain and never learn real skills. So understand this is a real business. It takes skill. And if you decide to purchase anything from one of my links, I will make a commission. Please refer to the affiliate agreement, income disclaimer, terms of service, privacy policy, refund policy, and compliance information in the description of this video. And do not move on until you fully understand that this is your own business. It is a risk for, for you, and there's no guarantee of income. There's no guarantee of traffic, leads, or sales, and most people make nothing. So now that we are done with the income disclaimer, I went ahead and purchased the social mastery blueprint from Traffic Authority. And so we go to products right here, scoop this over. We have social mastery blueprint. So the reason I picked up this product is because I actually was able to become diamond qualified for only 500 bucks. So this product was 500 bucks. And I became diamond qualified, which was my favorite thing. And I also got a year's worth of Optimizer, Academy, and Reseller for free. So that saves me $1,700, and then I saved $7,300 on becoming a diamond qualified member, or I had to sell $24,000 worth of traffic, right? So, that was a steal. That's a steal right there. Being able to save $1,700 on your yearly membership to be all in for only 500 bucks plus everything else and the training is really amazing. So that's why I grabbed this product and picked it up. This training teaches you I don't want to click play, but her name's Kyrsti, and there she is right there. You can see her picture right there. And she will go ahead and walk you through how to go ahead and do social media marketing. So here we have master your mindset to master your money, the science behind setting goals, your self-image, and your income. And then we get into discover your audience, understanding your avatar, which is like who you're marketing to. Then we have how to get free leads. So using short form videos, requirement for short form videos. So a lot of information on short form videos, reels, okay? And repurposing that content on other platforms like TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. So here we have TikTok, formulas for effective short form videos, pinning videos, and video replies. So a lot of this is about reels, really. So how to maximize your email list. Right here, setting up your emails for success, your social media channels. So setting up each of your channels to make sure that they are properly done. And then we have putting it all together right here. And we also have bonuses, okay? So really, really valuable product if you wanted to go ahead and learn TikTok, social media, Reels, short form video, which is how social media is pushing out all of the content right now. That's where all the traffic is. And so that's where you want to start doing social media is short form video. So Kyrsti will actually show you how to do that very, very well. So that's why I like this product and also the bonuses that came along with it. And so if you join my team in Traffic Authority, I also give you a ton of bonuses to help you with your affiliate marketing. But yeah, guys, you can go ahead and click the link down below, justinleontemple.com/get buyer traffic, and that will go ahead and take you to my funnel. You'll be able to go ahead and get on my team and go ahead and purchase your own traffic and send it to whatever page you want, or even go into Traffic Authority. So now also really quick in the reseller section, we can see that I am diamond qualified here, okay? So, and then also when you buy traffic, now, since I bought that, there's not a BOGO, but a buy one, get 50% off. So now, here's the deals on traffic, okay? So here's the savings. So that's really cool. Okay, so click the link below, check it out now.